Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Mac2009 and I just discovered RTX Voice. I'm a little late to the game, but it's still great and I want to share my 2 cents on it. I have a GTX 980. Specifically, I have two of them and they run just fine. At least for me, I can't tell a difference when it's enabled to disabled, besides the fact that you can't hear the fans or any echo of this room. And it's great. I love it. So I just wanted to have a little note that it does work on the 980 series, or the 900 series. Works on the GTX 980. And also I run another program called Voice Meter Banana. If you don't know what it is I would call it a sound mixer, but it's like a virtual sound mix board, basically. So you can like adjust the gain levels of your voice compared to the voices of your Discord channel, to the voices or to the sounds of your desktop or whatever game you're playing. So it's fun. I like it. So I do have a little extra steps that I have to go through. But really, it's just download the program, run it. If you have RTX, you have no problem at all. But if you have a GTX, it will fail. And at that point, you just go to like your C drive, temp. It was like RTX Voice, and some other file that has and it has an NVI, a .nvi file, and you want to run that as administrator so you can edit it. You can delete the line, few specific lines, and then you can save it, run the program in that temp folder, and it runs just fine. It'll install just fine like you have an RTX. And once you do that, you have to adjust your sound settings within Windows. I believe you have to do that either way, but just in case, your input goes to the whatever microphone you have. It should just say microphone, parentheses, NVIDIA RTX Voice. And then whatever output you have, it may change it like it did mine. And so you have to change it to whatever you have set up. And same as well, if you have voice meter, you have to change the output again, because it will change it up. As well as your microphone. Now, I tried to go a different route. I tried to have it go from the microphone voice meter into the NVIDIA voice. That didn't work. So you basically have to tell, hey, the microphone that you're going to have voice meter listen to is the same thing, the microphone, parentheses, NVIDIA RTX Voice. And then enable it, and it's wonderful. It's great. I like it. From what I've heard, it still is in beta. So it's not perfect, obviously. And it's definitely not perfect for a GTX card, but it is phenomenal, and I will let you see the results. Which right now, it sounds like it's just a pass-through. So, I'm gonna enable it right about now. And let's see. No way. No way. Holy crap. It is legit. Like, block that out and then just type away here. After a while, it does hear the vibrations. Obviously, it's not perfect, but that is impressive. So, just to kind of close up this video, the software is amazing. I'm enjoying it. I'm gonna start using it. I'm gonna um see what happens. See how many bugs it runs into, and who knows? Maybe later down the road, it may end up actually having support for the GTX series. They may like fully unlock it. So like, hey, you don't have to just go into the coding and then change the coding, and then there you go. For the 980s, this software works. And it works on the 10 series as well. I've also heard it works on the 7 series. So check it out, or 700. I'm not sure what they called it. But, anyways, links in the description will be down below to the Barnacles and Epos Fox, I believe, who was the one to actually find this, as far as I know. Highly recommend. Check out Barnacles, check out Epos Fox, check them out, follow them. Great guys to explain all of this a lot better than I can, but that's just because my mind is just so crazy right now. So, anyways, that was all I have for tonight. Thanks for watching. Take it easy, everyone. Be safe. It's a crazy world right now.